Welcome back to my channel. We were going to keep track for 4 full weeks, so a whole month, of how well the LaColors Mega Grow Nail Treatment works. And I was blown away by my results. I'm working on my second bottle now, back to back from my last one. And I noticed some really fast growth in my nails. I have the packaging here and some of the... This is a Mega Grow Nail Treatment. Vitamins A and E for maximum growth, and it helps protect problem nails. And it says it protects nails for healthy growth, enhanced with vitamin A and E. And it says this Mega Grow Nail Treatment infused with vitamins A and E helps reinforce conditioned nails and for maximum growth. I do think it helps with conditioning. I do not think that it helps reinforcing though, because I use additional like nail strengthening base kind of coat product. It forms a protective shield to prevent breakage for healthy, more beautiful nails. And I have to say I don't believe that because I did break a nail. And the application instructions are: apply 1 to 2 coats over natural nails alone for best results. Apply every 2 to 3 days. I usually do apply this every 2 to 3 days when I change my manicure. I only use 1 coat of this. I use this at the very beginning. This is my very first step, and I always cap my free edge of my nail. And you could also even coat the back of your nail as well with this product, but I always use it first because it is a growth treatment. And also, this product does not have a strong scent either. It's just a regular old kind of nail polishy kind of scent. And I will say, as far as peeling strength and things like that, no, this doesn't do anything for any of those. This is literally just a product to help your nails grow. It is a thicker consistency. It's not very watery, which I like. It dries quickly. And honestly, I think that in some cases it did help my nail polish last longer. This paired with the LaColors base coat. I want to share with you day 1 picture. This is day 1. I cut my nails down to literally nothing. There's just a little sliver of white. This is where our experiment starts. After day 1, I started taking pictures weekly. So here's week 2. And you can literally see, visibly see, the amount of growth. Also, I want to mention, yes, my nails are a little bit stained. They always are because I use a lot of different nail polishes. Even more growth. I feel like at a really fast pace, and it really picked up at week 3. So week 3. And week 4. Do you guys see that? This is $1. You can pick this up at DollarTree. Very fast nail growth. So I'm going to show you. Here we are. We're just a few days out from week 4. Here is my growth. And like I said, this is literally just a growth treatment. It doesn't help with any kind of peeling, staining, breakage, strengthening, none of that kind of thing. Just growth. That's pretty good. This product's $1 at the DollarTree. And I got a lot of growth in 4 weeks. I mean, you've definitely seen the pictures of day 1. My nail was like nothing. Oh, super fast growth. I'm so happy with this product. That's why I had to do a video. Now also, if you want your nails to grow even faster, you can take some vitamin supplements. You drink lots of water. And there are other ways and oils and stuff that can help your nails grow faster as well. So you can look into that. But I'm just saying, for $1. This product does work, and it does dry clear. It has like a little bit of a pinky kind of tint to it. In a month, I've used almost a quarter of the bottle. So I hope that the proof is in the pictures for you guys and that you can see that I absolutely love this product. It does work, and stay tuned for an updated nail care routine using LaColors products. And if you have any other comments or questions about this product, leave them in the comment section below, and I will definitely get back to you. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links, and stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews.